everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am gonna unbox a T.O.T.S toy set. Let's get started. So right now we have the set, and there are so many pet accessories and seats, and there's even an exclusive glitter baby. Let's open it. So this is a little sheep here. This is I don't know if it's a cheetah or hamster. This is a sloth. This is a cute puppy. This is a seal. This is a kitten and another cute puppy. So we have some accessories right over there, and first we're gonna try a color changing diaper. So we need a small bowl with icy cold water. So we have the icy cold water, and first we're gonna try the sheet. So guys, nothing is really happening, but its diaper is starting to turn purple, so I'm gonna keep it inside the bowl. So guys, nothing really happened. It just stayed the same kind of purple. So now let's try out the cat. So just like the other one, this one didn't go really well. So, okay guys, I hope this one actually works. So let's put her in the tub. Oh guys, it has a cute little ponytail. Probably this one's my favorite. Oh no, the diaper didn't change. So now we are going to try this seal. So I see a little bit of a color change. I think it's gonna be pink. Wow, it's a little baby pink. It's pretty light, but it's still cute. So I found out it's a cat, so now let's try it. This one does not have a color change. So the paper said you have to keep it in the water for 30 seconds or longer, but I guess it didn't work for this. So now we are going to do this little puppy. So it's turning kind of purple. So it turned a little purple like the sheep. Let's go to the next one. So here we have the last one, the last puppy. So it's not changing any color right now. So it's been a long time and it still has not changed at all. So the diaper changing experiment did not work. It was a fail, but I'm excited to see the glitter babies. So now we are going to unbox all the accessories. So first we have a little sunny bottle. We have a blue drinking bottle. We have one little bib. We have a little blue bib. So now we have a maraca. This one is really cute and I love the heart design. And last we have a little star pillow. Guys, it is time for the mystery ones. I'm so excited to see what's inside. So first, let's see this one, and I really want to see the panda. So I got an adorable giraffe. I love its big brown eyes, and they didn't forget the little horns. So the only thing that I'm really sad about is there is not too much spots on the giraffe. So the spots are really light, and let's get to the new one. So now let's open up this one. I really hope this one is the panda again. Let's open it. Oh my gosh, it's pink. I think it's a pig. It's a pig. It's a pig. It's a pig. Aww. This one is so cute because it has a little swirly tail, and it has a little snout and some hair on top. And I love its big blue eyes. So we have both of our mysteries. And now let's open up the exclusive glitter baby. So I don't know what glitter pets there are. So let's open it up right now. It's an elephant. It's so cute. It has a headband, a glitter diaper, and a glitter collar. I love it because it has a glitter collar and a diaper that's glittery, and I really like the headband too. Let's see them both color change. Let's do the giraffe. Sadly, there is no color change much like the other ones. Let's go to the pig. So there wasn't any changes for the pig too. We have a little elephant. I'm gonna make up their names because I do not know any of their names. So I'm naming this one Ellie. So right now she's gonna be eating. So let's give her her little bottle. She's gonna get messy, so let's put on the pink bib for her. So she has her bib on, and now she's gonna drink her banana milkshake. Yummy! Okay, now we have our little sheep, and I'm naming her Fluffy. She seems really tired, so now she's gonna take a nap. So I'm gonna give her the little star stuffy, and now let's rock her to bed. She slept. Now next is the giraffe. And I'm gonna name her Stelly. So right now she is going to play with the little maraca toy. So we have the seal, and I'm naming her Flippy. She's also really sleepy. So we are also putting her to sleep. And let's also rock her to bed. So we have our little sloth, and I'm naming her, Chocolate. Yay! So Choco is gonna drink some berry juice, and Choco is just a little short name for chocolate. Don't forget her bib. Her bib is a little loose for her, but it's okay. So now she's drinking her berry juice. Yummy! So one of them is the play buddy. This is Cooper. Cooper is gonna play with the giraffe. So this is the playground group, and they're gonna play in the playground. This is Katie. So Katie is an adorable purple cat, and I think there are some other ones. Meow. Katie loves to play. This is Scooter. Scooter is really fast and always energetic, and it's hard to get him to sleep. Next, we have Cream, because of the little dollop on his head. And Cream is a little cat and also loves to play. This is Squiggles because of her squiggly tail, and she loves to eat. Oink, oink. Come on, playground group, let's get going. So they love to be in the playground, and they love to climb the trees. So right now, Katie is sitting in the tree. Scooter is playing in the dirt. So we borrowed some stuff from Honeysuckle Hollow, and let's see what the little babies think about them. Wow! Cream is trying on the hat. He looks pretty silly. Cream, that's not how you use a hat. Right now, Katie is playing with the teddy. Whoa! Katie, that's not how you use it. You don't bite toys, you play with them. Meow? Oh, okay. So right now, Scooter is playing with his dino toy. So right now, I set up the bed, and Squiggle is gonna sleep and take a nap. Looks like Squiggles woke up, and now he's reading a book. Ooh, A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. So we had 10 adorable pets right over here, but now they're dirty, so let's give them a bath. Look at that. We borrowed the bathtub from Scribbletown. Let's use it. So I really like her because she has the glitter on her, the glitter collar and diaper. And the last reason is because of the cute headband. Bye guys! See you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like. Remember to be terrific and have an awesome day. Bye!